How to enable age restrictions on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, make sure to go down to the profile option that is located just down below. Click on that. As you click on the profile option that is located down below, then go on these three lines that are located up above and click on them. As you click on them, then go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, if you are a professional account user, then you will have here an option of creator or business account. Now click on creator/business account, whatever is showing on your screen. So click on that and then go down to the minimum age. As you click on minimum age, now by clicking on add option, you can add any minimum age that you want. So this is how you can enable age restriction on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section and also like the video. Thank you.